Well, you don't find this anywhere else but here. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Faulata Lihabi and you are very much welcome to this channel. As usual, we prepared something very nice for you. Stay till the end and to see the whole process. Also, if you're new here and you've not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. The first step is to peel your potatoes, then wash them, and afterwards you can boil them for some time. I had salted my potatoes and I didn't let them cook completely since I would still fry them later on. I also did that to prevent breakage while subdividing into smaller pieces. At this point, I'm basically subdividing my potatoes into smaller pieces, and this will allow them to cool. So I first added the food color into the flour, then ginger and garlic, the dania, and then I mixed all the dry ingredients first. Add water gradually. This helps to prevent the mixture from forming lumps, being too thick or too light. I was satisfied with the thickness and I set it aside for a while. Then I heated the oil. Slowly by slowly, I added my potatoes into the paste. I dropped a small piece of potato into the oil to check if it was hot enough. When it was ready, I dipped my potatoes slowly by slowly into the oil. Try to separate them for a while so that they can all cook well. One thing to avoid at this point is turning them all the time. Just allow them time to cook for a few minutes, then this already looks so yummy. For the color, I used strawberry red and egg yellow to achieve it, so I really love it. Well guys, this is it for today. Should I talk about the aroma, the taste? Wow, it's simply amazing. You can try it out and share your results. Thank you so much for staying tuned. From me, it's bye.